What it do, peoples? We now have the tow trucks getting ready to head off. I guess they deciding that they are practicing. They not about to let these race cars keep getting away. So, I guess we're gonna see what they do. And the Phantom Repo for the win. Gray and Green, Heavy Hitcher for the win. Blue and Turquoise, Heavy Hitcher for the win. Blue and Gray, Heavy Hitcher for the win. And now we have the Phantom Repo Duty against the Gray and Green Heavy Hitcher. Then we have the Blue and Turquoise Heavy Hitcher against the Blue and Gray Heavy Hitcher. Let's see what they do. Now the Phantom Repo, man, that drift was real on that last turn. But you see what was going on. And the Heavy Hitcher, Blue and Gray for the win. Now let's see who got it between the Phantom Repo Duty and the Blue and Gray Heavy Hitcher. Let me know in the comments who y'all think got it. Well, it was a close one, but the Phantom Repo dude took it all. And you know what time it is. I don't know why he's challenging him, but let's see what he do against the 9-6 Impala. I feel like the 9-6 won't smoke him, but we're gonna find out. Why did he even try? That's all I'ma say. We out.